I turned a caramel apple into a nail, so I thought I'd show you guys how to do that in 3 short minutes. But first, I'm gonna work on my fall-inspired double French background. This is one of my favorite neutral bases to go for when I do my French tips. This is by Born Pretty, and I think it's a rubber base as well. And I like to paint on the free edge first because this saves time. I don't want to do that with the whole liner brush, but now I'm using that liner brush to really make that French tip a deep curve. I only do 1/2 at a time. I'm flipping it over, making sure it's very even, and I fill in the French tip. Now this part takes patience and just time. I use a liner brush, that same liner brush, and I'm doing just half of the outline, and I'm connecting it to the end of the curve. Okay, now here's the controversial part of the video that you guys did not fail to let me know in the comments. I am touching the molding gel with my fingers, and a lot of people didn't like this because they said I can get contact dermatitis, which is true. And for those that don't know or are new to doing nails in general, contact dermatitis is a skin inflammation caused by direct contact with an irritant or allergen, and you can get this from soaps, detergents, poison ivy, and literally fragrances and anything else in the world. And this is an immune reaction, meaning it affects everyone differently or not even at all. So yes, when I do clients' nails, I am 100% using gloves every single time. And I've been coming in contact with gel polish since I was about 10 years old, and to this day I haven't had an allergic reaction to any gel products. But to each their own, so by all means, wear your gloves. Back to the video. For the caramel, I'm mixing together clear 3D gel and some top coat to make it extra shiny, and then a brown polish to make that caramel color. Don't add too much, you want it to kind of be sheer. When you mix that all together, it should have that natural caramel look and consistency. So here's the part we've all been waiting for. I'm taking the apple at about a 45-degree angle, rolling it around, and because this is sheer, this is just my initial dip. I want to make sure a lot of the apple is covered. I don't want to have just like half caramel on half the apple. Like, that's not the vibe. The goal is to have about 85% of the apple covered. So honestly, when I was detailing the apple, I really just focused on the top because that's the only thing that should be shown. And I cure this initial dip. This initial dip is done. Now's the second dip, and you're only going to be doing 2 dips. So this is like the dip that matters. You want to pack this caramel on, like stack it on there, make sure every inch has that same layer on it. You can follow the guideline actually, that'll make it easier, but you want to have enough to where when you put the caramel apple down, it has that like pool of caramel on the bottom of it. And you only get 1 take for this, so this matters. Take your time, and when it has that perfect look to it, flash cure it. Do not let that move around because this apple has little weight to it, so if it slides down, it's wraps, and this was pretty much all for nothing. Once it's flash cured, put in the lamp for a full minute. And here you have it. This is how you can put caramel apples on your nails and have it look super realistic and yummy. If you have any questions about anything I did in the video or just any nail questions in general, please drop them. I love helping you guys out and responding to all your comments. And I want to say a personal thank you to all of you guys who have supported me and followed me along with this journey. I just hit 10,000 TikTok followers and 5,000 YouTube subscribers, so thank you guys so much. And as always, if you're wondering where I got any of my nail products from, I have all of them linked in my Amazon storefront in my bio.